হ্যালো অ্যান্ড ওয়েলকাম টু আওয়ার চ্যানেল। আজ আমরা ব্যাংক শব্দটির মৌলিক বৈশিষ্ট্যগুলো নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। সো আর কথা না বাড়িয়ে লেটস গেট স্টার্টেড। প্রথমেই জানবো ব্যাংক কি। In English, a bank is an institution that accepts deposits from the public, offers loans and provides other financial services. বাংলায় যদি আমরা বলি, ব্যাংক এমন একটি প্রতিষ্ঠান যা আপনার টাকা সঞ্চয় করতে সহায়তা করে, ঋণ প্রদান করে এবং বিভিন্ন আর্থিক সেবা প্রদান করে থাকে। Now let's discuss some core concepts and functions of banks. Firstly, let's talk about deposits. When you deposit money into your bank account, the bank keeps it safe and you can earn interest on it. In Bangladesh, popular banks like Sonali Bank and Rupali Bank offers various types of deposits account, including savings and fixed deposit. Secondly, loans are a key function of banks. Banks provide loans to individuals and businesses. For example, if you want to buy a house or start a business, you can apply for a loan. Banks in Bangladesh such as Rupali Bank offer different loans products like personal loans and home loans. Thirdly, banks also offer investment services. They help individuals and companies invest their money wisely. For instance, many banks in Bangladesh offer investment in mutual funds, government bonds, and other financial instruments. Another important function is payment services. Banks facilitate payments through various channels such as ATMs, online banking, and mobile banking apps. In Bangladesh, services like bKash and Rocket have revolutionized how we make transactions. Now let's talk about the characteristics of banks. একটি ব্যাংকের বৈশিষ্ট্যগুলো হলো regulated by government. Banks in Bangladesh are regulated by the Bangladesh Bank, the central bank. Financial intermediaries. They act as intermediaries between depositors and borrowers. Profit motive. Banks operate with the aim of making a profit, but they also have a role in social and economic development. Now we will look at different types of banks in Bangladesh. Commercial banks, private commercial banks. These are banks owned by private entities. Examples include BRAC Bank, Dhaka Bank, and Eastern Bank Limited. Public commercial banks. These banks are state-owned. Examples include Sonali Bank, Rupali Bank, Janata Bank, and Agrani Bank. Foreign commercial banks. These banks are branches or subsidiaries of foreign banks operating in Bangladesh. Examples include HSBC, Standard Chartered Bank, and Citibank. Islamic banks. These banks operate under Islamic law, Sharia, and offer interest-free banking. Examples include Islami Bank Bangladesh Limited. Development banks are of two types: state-owned development banks and private development banks. State-owned development banks are those banks focus on financing projects that contribute to the development of the economy. Examples include Bangladesh Development Bank and Bangladesh House Building Finance Corporations. Private development banks are also involved in development financing that are privately owned. Examples include the Industrial Development Bank of Bangladesh and the Investment Corporation of Bangladesh. Specialized banks. These banks focus on specific sectors or functions. For example, the Bangladesh Kishi Bank provides agricultural financing and the Rajshahi Kishi Union Bank (RAKAB) supports rural development and agriculture. Microfinance banks. These institutions provide small loans and financial services to low-income individuals and micro-entrepreneurs. Examples include BRAC Bank's Microfinance Division and Grameen Bank. Each type of bank plays a unique role in the financial system of Bangladesh, contributing to the overall economic growth and development of the country. Finally, let's consider some practical tips for managing your bank accounts effectively. Choose the right bank. Compare different banks and their services to find the one that suits your needs. Understand fees. Be aware of any fees associated with your accounts and services. Monitor your account. Regularly check your account statements and transactions to avoid any discrepancies. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on financial literacy and other topics. Comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thank you for watching.